For centuries, information and communication technology has been one of the major drivers for economic growth of every nation. Greater Mekong Subregion, or GMS, as one of the fastest growing regions in Asia, has also pledged its commitment to harvest the benefits of information and communication technology since early 21st century. The Ministry of Information and Communication Technology of Thailand, as a representative of the Thai government to overlook ICT development in the country, has only one ultimate objective, which is to improve the lives of the Thai people, as well as those in the GMS region, to have equal access in ICT. Modern telecommunication network is not only a factor in national or regional development alone, but also helps stimulating and facilitating business in both public and private sectors. A nationwide seamless telecommunication platform that is a convergence of different cutting-edge ICT technologies has been deployed since 2009. In a few more years, we're going to see an incredible improvement in regional ICT development, high-speed next-generation broadband infrastructure, fiber to the home, third-generation mobile services such as HSPA+, and fourth-generation mobile broadband such as LTE will no longer be our dreams. These things are happening now. Aiming to leverage the advantage and utilization of ICT in the region, the Ministry of ICT of Thailand has always been under close collaboration with CAT Telecom, who runs one of the regional largest international internet gateways, as well as submarine cable and satellite communication systems, as a national platform to provide essential telecommunication infrastructure, including fixed line and wireless telecommunication services for information delivery, such as voice, text message, web browsing, and video to every part of Thailand and neighboring countries. The GMS Information Superhighway network can conveniently accommodate the 5 E strategies to be able to overcome global challenges. E-society, it is to build knowledge-based learning society as well as to bridge the digital divide. An initiative might include the establishment of ICT learning centers regional-wide in order to improve the quality of life in the society. E-education, it is to provide equal opportunity in online information access by any internet users. An initiative might include the establishment of online schools or online knowledge centers. E-commerce, it is to facilitate electronic commercial transactions, which would reduce complication in overall transactions domestically and internationally. An initiative might include the establishment of National Route CA that can be developed into Regional Route CA in the future. E-industry, it is to strengthen the production industry by utilizing ICT as a tool in order to maintain industrial competitiveness and capacity as well as to create sustainable economic growth. An initiative might include the establishment of e-logistics system in order to facilitate analogical processes and reduce complexity in documentation for import-export procedures. E-government, it is to improve quality of life for the national citizen by providing e-services to facilitate the use of governmental services. An initiative might include the establishment of the Government Information Network, which links all government agencies together that can provide services such as tax filing, e-payment, or electronic registration processes required by the government. Most importantly, the Thai government has initiated the National Broadband Policy, which aims to improve the quality of national telecommunication infrastructure and to increase the penetration rate for internet broadband service, hoping to bridge the digital divide. People and businesses will be able to connect and be connected much easier and faster. Digital divide will be eventually bridged. People living in central Bangkok or those living in remote villages will be able to use the same broadband services to access the same information at the same price and at the same time. We ultimately hope that the current development of regional ICT will be fruitfully reflected in every activity in our GMS cooperation.